the Barra. And we're kind of near this Moorish Temple. We're gonna be walking down a little bit. And there's Grand Lisboa down that way. Should be kind of cool little space, a cool little area. The Barra. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, Barra. This is a Pizzeria Toscana. I heard it's has some of the best Italian. It is the best Italian restaurant. I've heard that the pasta is what makes it really good. Let's see what else is around here. You got some stuff like this, and then this talks about the Marsh Barracks. So this was from Indian regiment from Goa. So they would so there's links between Macau and Goa because of the Portuguese. And this was brick and stone, and I think that this was manned by Indian men would be in these ones. Let me just see what it says. You can read all that stuff, all those things yourself. Accommodate an Indian regiment, so they would be housed in here. That's like nice. That's our pizza place right here, Pizzeria Toscana. Yeah, I've heard the pizza is okay, but but what you really want to do is get pasta there, is what I heard. So Calzada de Barra. Okay, this actually changes. So that's Calzada de Barra, and that's where the Moorish Temple is at. And Rampa de Barra. Calzada de Barra. And actually what I want to do is go down Rua de Barra. It's also an interesting way to go down as well. But because my focus is going to be the Rua, we're going to be going the other way. Look at that Moorish. It's kind of like Moorish style. So yeah, Goa from Portuguese influence. Okay, let's get down Rua de Barra. We'll walk down a little ways. Can I check it all out? Oh, that looks cool. Yeah, actually it's a little bit tight in here. I don't really like being, I like being more like this. Another parking space. It's hard to find parking in Macau, so when you see spaces that are open, you kind of marvel at it. It's surprising. It's a dense city, one of the densest in the world. Michelin Man. There's a coffee shop up there. This is around here. Taobao shop. I think they have Taobao things. Little Jesus thing. Huh. Kind of like a nice, but there's a big Jesus thing right here. Mother Mary and child. In Chinese. There we go. Centro de Maria, Voice of Mary. So, okay. Okay, so that's right there. Or mechanic shops. There's a lot of mechanic shops all the way down that way. Rua de Barra. All right, more of these kind of murals here too, right? Sunshine one. This one looks like lunar. That's hello. That's like a coffee shop, I think. I'm just taking a look. Hello, just taking a look around. So lots of shops everywhere. Oh, what's that one? So we're gonna try to go down this way. Let's see what this is. I think that's the this is tight. This garage is like, how do you even get in and out of that garage? I think that's the Mandarin House. Foodie mode. Yeah, it looks like the Mandarin House to me. We're gonna take a look in just a second. Yeah, I could have went down that Calzada de Barra and that would have been interesting. And this is actually equally interesting as well. Kind of glad I went down this way now. But yeah, it's the Moorish Temple right there. Nice little park. That little space. And I think that there's like a little exterior courtyard right there as well. Let's see what this is. There's like a parking garage. Parking garage for this one. There's a nice balcony. Nice balcony with not a very good view. Oh, let's see. That's a part of the Moorish. I think that's part of the Mandarin House things too. Because we're at the Mandarin, because we're so close, I think we'll just take the camera around the corner. That looks so cool as well. Yeah, that's a really nice street. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. There's also a nice fountain right here called the Lilao. This is all the Lilao area. Yeah, the Mandarin House is directly around the corner, so we're still at Rua de Barra. And Historic Center of Macau. That's it in English. Let's kind of take a quick glance around here. A lot of different stuff I could explore, but Rua de Barra is our focus, so this is called Lilao. Peña Church is way up there, up on the hill. Okay, we're still at Rua de Barra, so this is at Lilao Park. Kind of ran out of the battery, so what we're gonna do is highlight this, and we're just gonna highlight, oh, okay, this is a whole other street right here. This is Rua de Padre Antonio, so if we were to keep going, we would go to a different place altogether, which is this one. It's nice artwork as well. And yeah, that's the Lilao. And so what we're gonna do is I just want to show you, we're gonna go down this real briefly and to show you that the Mandarin House is right here. And I just want to show you what it is exactly too. Pretty big tourist attraction, basically. There it is right there. It's closed today. Then here's the Mandarin House. So in 1869, literary figure Zheng Guanyin, and kind of talks about his life. So yeah, that's the Mandarin House right there. And there's lots of other cool stuff down here too. Whole other street to explore. But I think we're gonna just end it on our focus street. It's a pretty nice ending right there. So this is the way to the Mandarin House right there, and then you got this kind of cool architecture right up there too. That does look pretty cool. And then we're gonna end it on Rua de Barra, which is that street right there. So yeah, pretty cool street. So you got like that little thing right there, and then you got this whole thing right there too. So okay, so we're gonna end it right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.